Hello everybody, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Friday, January 3rd, show number 3. Here are the two words we will learn today. The first one is a time of year that's very cold. And the second one means to shout, to speak with a loud voice when you're angry. Let's begin. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The winter is cold. The winter is cold. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter is the coldest time of the year. Do you have winter in your country? Let me know in the comments. Now let's make a flashcard for winter and remember it forever. Please write winter up here in the top left corner. W-I-N-T-E-R. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number 195 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Win, ter, winter. Now word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer always yells. Jennifer always yells. She yells. She speaks with a very loud voice. We also say she shouts. Now let's make a flashcard for yell. Please write to yell up in the top left corner. We use to because this is a verb. Please write the basic form here. We say to yell at somebody if you're angry. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category V1. This means verb, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number is 82 out of 82. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Remember, the J in the IPA sounds like a Y. So we say yell. Class over. It's time to go. Today we learned winter. Very good. It's a season. And what does Jennifer always do? She yells. Very good. We also say she shouts. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is hair that men grow over their lip. The second one is an animal in Africa that looks kind of like a horse. And the third one is when you pay somebody and you give them extra money for good service. Bye-bye, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. And hello, if you are a new student, welcome to our vocabulary school. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. We have classes until January 25th. Then we take a break and begin again on February 1st. You can learn English here. You only need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it, nothing else. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Like today, you can join. This is level 1, and it's a complete 2-year course. When you make the card, please write your language on the other side of the card. What language do you speak at home? Let me know in the comments. You can meet a partner with this hashtag and practice the words that you learn. Please remember these. We use them very much. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.